Hi
Hi
guys,
guys,
I'm cooking.
Sorella.
This is Mama Ema.
Ang labo ng salamin ko. Kaya for today's kwentuhan, I have surprise question for Sorella so you can check how smart she is. Are you ready?
Yeah.
If you have a time machine,
What's time machine?
where do you want to go? Do you want
Everywhere.
time machine? The time. Do you want to go back when you were a baby or do you want to go forward?
Go back
Go,
to a baby.
teka lang. You go forward being a
Adult.
professional na. For example, sabi mo kasi you want to be a doctor. For example, doctor ka na. Where do you want to go?
Back to a baby. So di ako mag-school.
You want to be a baby again?
Yes.
Nako. Tapos why? Why you want to go back being a baby? Why do you want to go back being a baby?
Because
Very real.
I will get baptism and sobrang laboy ulit. Look at my hair, guys.
Like, see your hair mo.
Wow, it's
Dali, I'll give you time to think.
I
O,
want
do you
to go
want to
back
be a
to
baby na baby ka lang na wala kang nagagawa? Wala kang gagawin kundi dumede tsaka umiyak?
That's you
Or,
just
teka lang, or do you want to go being an adult, being a professional, being a doctor, giving help to sick people, o ano, mamili ka? Anong gusto mo
go
doon?
back to a baby.
Go back to a baby talaga?
Yes.
Oh, bakit naman go want to be a
Kasi
baby?
gaganto ulit ako ni Nancy. Na 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 na. Na na na.
Aray.
Silly. You just make me dance and then sorry Mima.
Okay.
You just like chiquito in my hat. You're like na na na. Na na na.
Gusto niya Rera wants to go back from the past. Okay.
Or I want to be in the 1980s. Hi.
You're not alive then. So, hindi mo pa naman, wala ka pa naman sa panahon na yon. Siyempre, dun ka sa panahon mo.
Ha?
Whether baby ka or an adult ka na. So, gusto mo talaga, you go back from being baby.
Yes.
Okay.
Ikaw.
Oh, di syempre, yun din ang gusto ko. I want to go back being young, like as young as
Me.
no, not
Si
your
Annie
age.
Shayana.
As young as teenager when I was a teenager.
So, pwede ka mag-cellphone.
That time, alam mo ba?
Ano?
That time when I was a teenager, hindi pa uso yung cellphone noon.
Uso lang yung...
Wala pa pong cellphone
Uso
that
lang
time.
yung-
80s,
yung-
1980s, 70s.
Yung uso lang yung mga ikot-ikot na show, ikot-ikot na show.
Basta sa gadgets, during 1980s, hindi pa po uso yung gadgets. So, walang gadgets. So, okay naman. Happy life naman during my teenage years.
You want to be like me again so you can have play.
Parang, taga lang, may inaano ko kasi ko ritong dumi. Kalat ni Irena. I don't like to go back that young.
Why?
Basta gusto ko lang during my teenage life. Yun lang.
Because you can
If I-
have long
If I have
nails,
if I have the time machine, I'll go back to my teenage life.
I will build a time machine. I'll try to build a time machine with a box.
Pero hindi naman totoo yun. Nasa movie lang yan. Kunyari lang naman yun. Okay, that's all for now. Irela wants to be a baby again. Ganun talaga no? Gusto mo yung parang gusto mo bumalik sa
Baby age.
pagkabata. Thank you for watching.
Bye.
Bye.